So, welcome friends. Today we will learn about how to map our JSON data into a class. Like we have made a post request, then we have sent some JSON data, and we have to map it into our class. So, in Spring we use request mapper for this purpose, but here in Play we use JSON. So let's see how to do that. In my previous example project, as I have shown you how to response in JSON to a GET API. So this is the project for how to map a JSON data of post API into class. So and this is the response package, and it contains a person details which has two fields, name and age. And in configuration, we have to define routes for post API, and I have already defined it post for uh, post request, and it will map to go to post request in home controller. So we have to define post request in home controller. So public result post request, and we have to use JSON node body, and the request which has all parameters like all request headers and all request body. So request contain all things, so we are fetching the body, request body dot as JSON. So it will get stored in JSON node, and now we will fetch the content of body from JSON node, and we can do that in this way. JSON dot from JSON, and the JSON is body and class is uh, let me copy it and paste it here, dot class. So let me store it in person. Now let me print it, print them. Here is dot. Let's print the name plus person dot get name. Now let's print its age plus person dot get age. And now let's return with OK status, and let me return person. So we are returning what we get in post request. The method of uh, we have to use JSON dot to JSON, and here we have to use this. So let's make a get request, and we get a name as Ram and age as 22, which we have set in setters. And let's make a post call with same URL, and let's check. We get name as Ram and age as 22 in response. Let's check the console, as we have used system.out.println, and here we get name as Ram and age as 22. Let's change the name to Sham, and let we define the age as 20. Let's see what's the response. And here we get name as Sham and age as 20. Also in console we get name as Sham and age as 20. So friends, in this manner we can map JSON data into our class, and then we can fetch the values. So this is for today, and if you like my video, do share it, to like it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.